Hello, welcome back to another episode of Fix or Smash. Today we're working on Christmas gifts, and what we're going to do is um, take one of these old, out-of-date Garmin map mounts that you used to stick on to the windshield of your vehicle, and basically it was pretty revolutionary when it came out. Like, it basically made the big paper map book obsolete. You could just type in wherever you wanted to go, and it would get you there. Yeah, I don't know if anybody remembers those map books, but you used to have an index, and you'd have to go into the index, and you'd find what it was you were trying to look for, and it would give you coordinates and a page number, and then you'd have to flip to the page. I can't remember. I think it was like alphabets in the y-axis and numbers in the x-axis. So it'd be like, oh, I want to go to Tim Hortons. Okay, that's page 34, A17, and then you'd look that up on the map. But when this came out, basically you just search for what you want, and using satellites, it would just tell you what was close to you. So now this is becoming obsolete with the age of the cell phone, smartphones. And so all I want to do is, there's really no good way to mount a cell phone to use it as a GPS in the vehicle. Like, the internet has all these things, but I've got this handy, and I got a piece of wood. And I'm going to make both these things work together and have some kind of cell phone mount come out of it. So what we're going to be doing is replacing the GPS with a cell phone. And it's still going to stick onto the windshield and do what it needs to do. So I've kind of traced out my pattern. My plan is to just get this thing on here, and we'll have this back plate, and then I'll mount the phone to the back plate. Really simply, elegantly. It'll be super quick. And yeah, let's get going. I've got the vise set up now. Just gonna touch her up with the file, and we'll do some more little touches along the way to make this thing work. Okay, we're almost at the finish line here. Got our little recesses cut out to snap into on either end. It's just some kind of cleaning up really left to do, and this thing's pretty much good to go. So yeah, just, snap it in. Not going anywhere. So next steps to get the phone so it can easily attach to this and detach. And I'm basically just going to use a rubber band, and you'll see in a minute how I set it up. So I drilled the ends here, and I made them to receive one of these little dowels, and basically the function of the dowel is just to hold a rubber band that's going to span from here to here. And how it's going to work is, you got one of these phone wallet things, they're pretty handy. Just slide it in behind the rubber band, and it's going to hold it. It's going to hold it in pretty good, I think. Usually when stuff's simple, it'll work pretty good. And then this guy will hold this, and then it'll hold it to the window, and it should work pretty good. I might take a router quick and just knock these edges off and tap these in, and I'll be back with what the finished product looks like. about there. And if you didn't do the best job, you can always cheat and throw a screw in there. There we have it. Should work good. It's pretty quick. Uses what you got already, maybe. I know I have like 2 or 3 of these things lying around, and this seems to be a good use for it. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like stuff like that, and feel free to comment down below. I think this Christmas gift will be a hit this year.